Ridgebot from Ridge Security. Ridgebot's fully automated and continuous security penetration testing system couples ethical hacking techniques with AI-driven decision-making algorithms to locate vulnerable targets, then exploit the targets and prioritize business risks within the enterprise. 3 key features differentiate Ridgebot from other scanning or penetration testing approaches. First, Ridgebot is fully automated and continuous security testing, unlike periodic and human-based penetration testing. Second, Ridgebot's iterative processing approach uncovers deeper risks unseen with other tools or techniques. Third, zero false positive reports streamline the workload of security teams by focusing them on verified exploits. Getting started with Ridgebot from Ridge Security. Installing Ridgebot. Your IT team can easily and quickly install Ridgebot within the enterprise network, as either an appliance or as a virtual machine. Conducting your first fully automated pen test. Target an IP, range of IPs, or a domain. Choose to start immediately, or schedule it to start at a particular date and time. Each penetration test consists of 4 key phases. Asset auto discovery, asset fingerprinting, smart crawling, attack surface discovery, topology drawing, vulnerability mining, weak link searching, vulnerability scanning. These first 2 phases work similarly to other scanners on the market. While Ridgebot increases the resolution of information with asset discovery and vulnerability mining, for the next 2 phases, Ridgebot has no competitors. Exploit. As targets become verified vulnerabilities, Ridgebot continues to test any new attack surfaces revealed by the hack. Intranet attack, local attack, lateral movement, risk analysis. Unlike a typical penetration test report, Ridgebot produces a business risk-based assessment, clearly prioritizing exploited vulnerabilities. The report provides your various business teams with the critical risk information they need. For executives, the assessment provides a summarized overview of the enterprise business risk. For compliance teams, they use the report to satisfy compliance auditors. For both SecOps and DevOps teams, Ridgebot permits them to conduct continuous security testing, enabling them to perform testing before every release. To score the blue team and adjust security policies based on Ridgebot's recommendation. To assist in security incident response. Ridgebot also helps alleviate the current severe shortage of security professionals and allows human security experts to devote more energy to the research of new threats and technologies. With Ridgebot, an enterprise can seamlessly shift from manual-based, labor-intensive testing to machine-assisted automation. Any organization, from a mid-size to large enterprise, can affordably reduce its enterprise business risk using Ridgebot's fully automated and continuous security penetration testing system. Join the growing number of enterprise customers who have saved days, even weeks of manual labor within hours using Ridgebot. Request a demonstration of Ridgebot today.